Honda has launched production of the 2019 Insight at its plant in Greensburg, Indiana, capping $61.5 million. The automaker has invested there and at 3 plants in Ohio to build the all-new hybrid sedan and pave the way for more electrified vehicles. The Honda Manufacturing of Indiana plant will build all Insight models for the North American market after receiving a $32.5 million investment. That money went toward a 19,200 square foot building expansion to accommodate in-house sub-assembly of the Insight's front-end module. Though it marks the first time the Indiana plant will take on modular sub-assembly for the front frame and components such as the radiator and cooling fan, Honda first introduced the practice on the 2016 Civic. It now uses the approach on the Accord and CR-V crossover. The Indiana plant is also now handling processes including installing electrified systems like high-voltage wiring, battery units and power control systems.